Whoa! Ooh, have a look here. There are so many colorful shapes. Hello, friends. Yes, we are going to learn shapes. This is red circle. Orange triangle. Yellow square. Green pentagon. Cyan hexagon. Blue cross. Purple color oval. This is violet color. Pink color rectangle. This is star. This is heart. This is flower. Perfect! That looks fantastic. Great job, friends! So I will see you next time. Bye! Hello, friends. Have a look here.
Hey, Bananas, what's up? Wow, what a pleasant day.
This place looks so much fun. Look at this slider.
Oh, wow.
Awesome. Amazing looks interesting. Wow, look at this place. Awesome. What do you think? They are going to be so much fun. Hey, kids, let's come with us.
Let's go over there.
Who wants to play? Let's go. Let's play.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah!
Look over here.
Wow! Yahoo! Here we go. Sliding is fun. I love it.
I want to slide like this.
Hey, Bananas! Ooh, we almost to the top.
Yeah, look here. funny. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! That was wonderful. So I will see you next time. Bye!
Hello, kids.
Look over here.
First, I will show what I have.
I'm waiting. Hurry up.
Hey, let's go. This is red color.
This is orange color.
This is yellow.
This is blue color.
This is cyan color. This is green color. This is purple color. Do you know what color this is? This is pink color.
Oh, wow!
This is a 1.
This is 2. This is 3.
This is 4.
This is 5.
This is 6.
This is 7.
This is an 8.
This is 9.
This is 10.
So I will see you next time. Bye! Hello, friends. How are you doing today? Whoa! Ooh! Have a look here. Looks interesting. Giraffe. Elephant. Crocodile. That looks fantastic. Hey, come on! Honeybee. Monkey. An owl. Perfect. That was wonderful.
Let's do the next one. Hello, friends.
Now it's your time.
This is red, an orange color. I'm so proud of you.
See you guys.
Bye!
Wow, look at this place. Awesome. Hello, friends!
Hello, kids!
Whoa! Whoa! Ooh! Have a look here!
Yes, we are going to learn fruits.
Let's go over there. This is an apple.
This is an orange.
This is watermelon.
This is cherry.
This is grape.
This is banana.
This is strawberry.
This is pineapple.
That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you.
So I will see you next time. Bye! Wow, what a pleasant day.
Hey, look over here.
Hello, friends. Yahoo! This place looks so much fun. What's happening here?
Well, here we go. Let's play.
That sounds good to me.
Perfect.
Let's go over there. Okay, let's do this. Ooh.
Let's do the next one.
Perfect.
Awesome. Let's go for the next. That was wonderful. Thank you.